Hey YouTube. The other day I was talking about hole saws. Anyway, this one's a brand called Craft. It has 16 hole saws in it. Ranges from 19mm right up to 127mm, and steps in between. Anyway, to cut polystyrene, we'll grab one. So we'll take this one. This is 64. Just give it a bit of a wipe because it's got a bit of oil on it, because this set's pretty much brand new. I've used it once or twice, probably once actually, once before. What we're going to do is we're going to drill 2 holes, one with the center hole and one without a center hole. Okay, what we need to do first, need to make sure that the workpiece doesn't move. Line it up so it doesn't move. Okay, put some safety glasses on. Or not. Now we'll so we've just put the pilot hole through. Now we're going to go down slowly. Right, there we go. That's the first one. Just knock it out. Okay. As you can see, the edge isn't edge is alright. It's not necessarily the best finish, but it's pretty good. You could work with that. All you just need to do is give it a sand, but it's pretty good. If you're wanting to make lots of these discs, yeah, a quick way of doing it. Anyway, and if we just want to make the disc by itself without a center hole, we can do that as well. What we first have to do is we have to take the center bit out, center drill out. Alright. Take that out. Right, now we tighten this up. Again, it's only hand tight. Put in the chuck. Okay, now we'll just turn it around to a fresh piece. Alright, that looks good. tighten the clamp up, turn her on, away we go. Okay, there we go, a disc that has no hole, no center hole. Clean those up. I'll clean those up and I'll get back and I'll show you. Okay, after cleaning up the discs, they don't look too bad. Is a little bit rough, but I think if you just wanted, if you scratch building and you want a disc, nothing's easier than that. Because basically if you scratch building, you're just gluing styrene to styrene. Then when you're going to finish it, you're going to be sanding it. You're going to be putting putty on it. But I think it's pretty good. See if we can get a close-up view. It's not too bad. I'd give it a go, and that way you'd get your discs the same size, depending if you want a couple or if you want like 100 of them. Well, there you go. Thumbs up for that, I reckon. Thumbs up. Hey.